Welcome to the world of dreams today. Chinwei Onyemechi shows the way. Life in colors bright and bold. Stories waiting to be told. Hey, hey.
We got me anniversary gift to 60 years in marriage. You know easy. Hey, let's see what our baby got us. Anniversary. Just video me. No move. Thank you. Ooh. Hey. Wahala. For who not get husband. Wow, this is beautiful. Why you like to buy me big? Color.
Open up.
I love big rich.
Seeing the spaghetti.
Let's see. Ooh, this is beautiful. Aha. This is a gown. Hey. But this is beautiful. Anniversary gift, oh. Thank you in the comment section for my odogu. This is my own. Wow, this is beautiful. Hey, I need to go and work on my tummy. This is beautiful. Thank you, Oli. Thank you. Thank you. That shot me cow. This is skelewu. I love this. Baby.
Look something.
It look like it. I must buy actually 60 years of marriage. If you know my size. UK 32. But I wear 38 too. You don't go buy 30. I Amanda car. We'll keep this one for Amanda. My husband don't know the size of my back. This clothes as our anniversary gift. We are 16 years in marriage. April 19th, 2009, hubby paid my bride price. So today is April 19th, 2025. So we are 16 years in marriage. So type congratulations in the comment section. Now, hubby got me gifts. Honey, thank you. I don't buy anything for Amo. No gifts. I don't buy anything for Amo.
I saw you there with a grin so wide, like the sun had slipped from the sky. Your laughter echoed, made the world stand still. A fleeting moment, but I feel the thrill, the thrill. Your touch like whispers, soft and kind, tracing maps across my tangled mind. In your gaze, the stars collide, a universe here by your side. You pull my heartstrings, let it burn, a melody in every room. I breathe you in, you're my sweet air. With you life's brighter everywhere. Your words a song I can't forget, a rhythm found without regret. In your arms the past erased, a brand new start, no time's misplaced. And when the world fades to a blur, I'll hold your hand and know for sure the life we build, the love we weave is stronger than what dreams conceive. You pull my heartstrings, let it bloom, a melody in every room. I breathe you in, you're my you under the city's glow. A fleeting glance, the moment stole. Your laughter rang in the evening air, and suddenly I saw us there. Coffee spills on crowded streets, heartbeats sink where strangers meet. Your world collided into mine, and painted gray with shades divine. I'm endlessly chasing you through every skyline, every hue. The way you smile, the way you move, forever feels like something new. Holding hands on a Ferris wheel, every turn the view revealed. Your eyes, they tell me all I need. A quiet love, a simple creed. We storm the summer rain so bright, dance through the mess till dawn's first light. Imperfection writes our song, with you's where I've belonged all along. I'm endlessly chasing you through every sunset, every blue. The way you laugh, the way you lose. In you I found my stolen muse. We storm the summer rain so bright, dance through the mess till dawn's first light. Imperfection writes our song, with you's where I've belonged all along. I'm endlessly chasing you through every sunset, every blue. The way you laugh, the way you lose. In you I found my stolen muse. Switching on the glow like the sun on the sea. It's all about the vibe, living wild and free. Chinway's got the spark with her magical key. Unlocking brighter days is where you wanna be. Oh, Chinway, on your matchy TV, bringing life to the screen for you and me. Adventures roll by with a cup of tea. Life's a masterpiece, just wait and see. Morning routines to the late night
Video you.
show. She shines
But say hi,
on
guys.
stage, making life all
Hello, we are the park.
Two-Face.
We are the park, we are the park. Let's come and take some fresh air and some sun. Papa She, So fresh air. Guys, I want to go and see me. Horrible. I want to go and gym. Let me gym. Let me look for where to place my camera.
Mommy, come on, let me show you. Guess what the
Click subscribe.
Mommy, no, mommy, you have to climb that one, the front of that one, before you can climb there. I can't.
Her channel's your escape, where dreams take flight. With the lens she shows, colors vivid and bright. She always got your back, turn on to right. Click subscribe.
Oh.
It feels just right. Ocean way on your magic to the screen. Adventures roll by with a cup of tea. Life's a masterpiece, just wait and see. Life's a masterpiece, just wait and see.
Chasing sunlight through the trees, dreams as vast as open seas. Every moment a picture frame,
Are you done?
Chinwee's tales, a life untamed. On Chinwee, on your magic TV, life unfolds so beautifully. Echoes of hope
Mommy, do this one.
and truth we see. A melody of life's sweet symphony.
Like this. Mommy, you.
Through soft whispers of the dawn, stories told, a heart reborn. Life's a canvas, the colors blend. Every start, a journey bends. On Chinway, on your magic TV, life unfolds so beautifully. Echoes of hope, love, and truth we see. A melody of life's sweet symphony.
Let me do it. Mommy, that one break. Mommy, I can't even see that the guy in this camera. Start the all dark. I can't even see that inside the camera, sir. Yeah.
Through soft whispers of the dawn, stories told, a heart reborn.
Come on, slide, come on, slide.
The colors blend, every start, a journey ends. On Chinway, on your magic TV, life unfolds so beautifully. Echoes of hope, love, and truth we see. A melody of life's sweet symphony.
Ayo. No, my camera dey clear. Let's go. See your white mouth. Let's go. Yeah, mama. Guys, it's cold. It's getting cold now. Let's take baby home.
A spark ignites a journey new, chasing dreams with skies so blue. On Chinway on your magic TV, life unfolds so beautifully. Echoes of hope, love, and truth we see, a melody of life's sweet symphony.
Let's go. Let's go.
Left his phone.
Chasing sunlight through the trees,
No, the phone was there.
dreams as vast as open seas. Every moment a picture framed, Chinwee's tales, a life untamed. On Chinway on your magic TV, life unfolds so beautifully. Echoes of hope,
Time is 18:13.
and truth we see, a melody of life's sweet symphony. Through soft whispers of the dawn, stories told,
It's really spring.
reborn.
See, all the trees are blossom.
Life's a
Beautiful flowers.
canvas, the colors blend. Every start, a journey bends. On Chinway on your magic TV, life unfolds so beautifully. Echoes of hope, love, and truth we see, a melody of life's sweet symphony.
It makes me that I want to push.
Through soft whispers of